Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Diesel fuel has a strong smell that sticks to fabric. It is oily and difficult to remove with normal detergent. You must handle these clothes carefully to avoid a fire hazard. Never put clothes that smell like diesel in a hot dryer. The fumes can ignite and cause a fire. To start, use a heavy-duty degreaser or grease-cutting dish soap. Rub the soap directly into the stained areas. Let the garment sit for at least 30 minutes. Next, fill a bucket with warm water. Add 1 cup of baking soda and 1 cup of white vinegar. Soak the clothes in this mixture overnight. This helps break down the oils. In the morning, wash the clothes by themselves in the washing machine. Use the hottest water setting allowed for that fabric type. Add a cup of clear ammonia to the wash cycle. Do not mix ammonia with bleach. If the smell remains, try soaking the clothes in a mixture of Coca-Cola and baking soda. The acid in the soda helps lift the fuel. After washing, hang the clothes outside to air dry. Fresh air and sunlight are great for removing lingering odors. Only put the clothes in the dryer once the smell is completely gone. If you still smell fuel, repeat the soaking process. These simple steps will save your favorite work clothes from the trash. Dealing with diesel is a messy job, but these methods will make your laundry smell fresh again. Keeping your gear clean helps it last much longer. Follow these tips for the best results every single time you wash your clothes at home.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.